The power of antioxidant-rich foods. In our daily lives, our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, leading to aging and various diseases. The good news is that nature provides us with a powerful defense mechanism, antioxidants. These beneficial compounds work by neutralizing free radicals, protecting our cells, and promoting overall health. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet is a simple yet effective way to bolster your body's defenses. So, what should you be adding to your plate? Berries of all kinds are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. They're delicious on their own in smoothies or mixed into yogurt. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and a variety of antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for eye health. Vibrantly colored vegetables such as bell peppers, especially red and yellow, carrots, and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoids, giving them their brilliant hues and potent antioxidant properties. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, and sunflower seeds offer a good source of vitamin E, another important antioxidant. Finally, dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and green tea are also noteworthy for their significant antioxidant levels, particularly flavonoids. Just remember moderation with the chocolate. By making these delicious and readily available foods a regular part of your diet, you're not just enjoying tasty meals, you're actively supporting your body's fight against cellular damage and promoting long-term well-being.